hatchets and pistols!
And crowbars and pitchforks!
Yes!
So the order went down to the farm workers, who formed a tight ring around the bottom of the hill. Escape for the fox, or indeed for any other animal, was now quite impossible. For 3 days and nights the waiting game went on. The farmers took it in turns to sleep. They had brought food to eat and cider to drink.
Hey there, Mr. Fox! Can you smell this? Oh, lovely tender chicken! Come and get it!
The rich scent wafted down the tunnel.
Dad, I can smell chicken. Chicken!
Mum, couldn't we just sneak up and snatch it?
Don't you dare! That's just what they want us to do.
I'm so hungry!
Yes, I'm thirsty. I need a drink.
Please!
What are we going to do? We haven't eaten for days.
I know! I'm thinking